Okay. Hello everyone, so today we are going to see a program on printing a multiplication table. So multiplication table in the sense, so if you want to print a table for 6, for the number 6 multiplication table, so 6 ones are 6 until 6 into 10 is equal to 60. So we want to get all the values from 1 to 10 for multiples of 6. So 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 4 up to 6 into 10. So after writing a program, we should achieve this particular output. So first discuss the logic behind working on this. So we have to confine the numbers from 1 to 10. So in the range of 1 to 10 only, we have to get the multiples of 6. So for this we use for loops. So for getting range, so for seeing range of numbers, we use for loop. So as we want numbers only from 1 to 10, we will be using a simple for loop, and then we will be printing the multiplication table. So before using the for loop, we should insert a number. That means like we should input a number. So this is going to be the simple logic. So now let's start the actual program. The first step is inputting a number. So I am inputting a number. So number is equal to int of input of enter a number. So I am not giving the number directly. So it will throw a message when we run the program to input a number. So then we can enter a number. So what will be the second step? To give the range. So before giving the actual logic of multiplication, we want to give the range in the sequence where the number should be print. So for that I am using for loop and I am using k. So I am giving for k in range of 1 comma 11. So why I am giving 1 comma 11? Because in any range it takes like the values from 1 to n minus 1. So if you give 1 to 11, it will take the values from 1 to 10. But if you give 1 comma 10, it will take the values from 1 to 9 only, which is not suitable for this program. We want the values between 1 to 10. So that's why in for loop we are taking for k in range of 1 comma 11. So this step is done. So I am including these in the comments. So the next step will be printing the multiplication table with the logic. So for this I am using a print statement and I am giving number, and then I am giving a multiplication symbol, x symbol, and then I am giving k, and then I am using an is equal to operator, assignment operator, and then I am giving the logic num into k. So why I have given this is at the output I should get 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So for this 6 I am passing number, because the number which we input while declaring the output. So once we run the program, it will ask to enter a number. So once you enter the number, either it be 6 or 7 or something, so that is the number which we are going to use in this multiplication table. So I am using number here, and then just I am using a multiplication symbol as x, because I want x to like into to be printed in between the number and the multiple. So then I am giving k, because we have passed for k in range of 1 comma 11, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 they will be taken in the memory of k. So I am giving k here, and then I am using assignment is equal to operator, and then I am giving here num into k, because like at the end of the day 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, these will be the final outputs for every step from 1 to 10. So number into k, at the initial step 6 into 1 gives 6, then 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18. So it goes till 10 and it stops at 10 because we are giving as 1 comma 11. So now just extend this program to one more loop. So now we are getting an output as 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 12, so on to 6 into 10. So in case if you need only 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 6 into 3 is equal to 18, 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So you want the multiples of 6 with an interval of 1. So that is just changing the for loop. So while giving for loop for k in range of 1 comma 11 comma, so if you give 1 comma 11 comma 2, what will happen is like it will take the range of values from 1 to 11, that means 1 comma n minus 1. So it takes the values between 1 to 10 range, but this is nothing but the step value. The step value or increment value. So it prints the values from 1 to 10 as multiples, but it will take the increment as plus 2. So it won't print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It prints only increment as 1, 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, and then it stops because we have given the range of 1 to 10. So this is how we print a multiplication table. But if you want to print by skipping one number, then we will use the original syntax of for loop, which is for k in range, and then this is the starting value, this is the ending value, and this is the step value. So this is the way you do a multiplication table.